Hi, my name is Jessie Dancy, and I am the Elementary Instructional Technology Coach in Mamaroneck Schools. The move to distance learning has been an incredible challenge for our teachers, but I'm sure that it has been a similar challenge for parents as well. I'm hoping that this video will help address some of your tech-related questions and also inform you about some shifts taking place at the elementary level related to distance learning. Here is a quick overview of what I plan to cover in this video. I want to discuss daily attendance. Secondly, a shift towards using student accounts. And finally, provide some help in terms of how to share the Chrome browser or how to share the Google Classroom app among family members. Moving ahead, your child's classroom teacher will ask you or your child to confirm his or her attendance each day. Your child's teacher will either post a simple "Are you here today?" question on Google Classroom or distribute a Google form to be completed. Please remind your child to do this each day, or in the case of small children, do this for them. There's no cutoff time, meaning that students can indicate their attendance at any time of day, including late in the evening. Parents should still report excused absences to our attendance office as they ordinarily do throughout the school year using the same process. We have links on our parent tools section of our website, and you can either call the attendance office or complete a Google form to let them know that your child is sick. Another important shift taking place in distance learning is that students will access Google Classroom through their student accounts. Some students, particularly in our upper elementary grades, already do this as a matter of course, since it's an established procedure during at school. However, many of our younger students have been accessing Google Classroom and using Google Chrome through their parents' personal accounts. And there are many reasons that shifting to student accounts makes a lot of sense for distance learning. And I just want to explain a few of them. When students are signed in with their school, when they're with their at student.mamaroneckschools.org accounts, it automatically turns on Google Safe Search for the Chrome browser. Also, YouTube is restricted automatically, and which means that they will not be able to view comments, promotional material, and only videos that have been approved for children or specifically approved by Mamaroneck teachers will appear for them. Secondly, syncing, if you sign into Google Chrome with your student Mamaroneck account, it syncs with all of the other G Suite apps that are attached to that account, like Gmail, Google Docs, Google Drive, and whatnot. Another important reason to use the student accounts is that students who are accessing their schoolwork through school devices can only use school accounts. So it is important to have this as a consistent measure. And finally, for attendance and student work, all the students' work and responses will be tied to their account, which makes it a lot easier for teachers to tally and track student progress. In order to make sure all parents have access to their children's account information, I want to make sure that you're aware there is home support available. Teachers in grades K and 1 will be distributing usernames and passwords directly to families. We also have technology teachers assistants in each building who are available to support families and resolve any password or account issues. I've listed on this slide here the names and email addresses of the 4 lab TAs who you can reach out to if you have any trouble accessing the accounts or if you need to reset a password. One of the most common problems that I hear from families is difficulty sharing the Chrome browser. And so we want to make sure that parents know how to best do this on their home computer when you have multiple users or when parents are using one identity and need to sign in their child with their school account. It is best not to share your browser. In Google Chrome, it's possible to add separate profiles that keep your information and your child's information separate and reduce access issues. I've made a separate tutorial that you can follow here that will show you how to do this on your home computer. You don't have to worry about this if your child is using a Chromebook, as this will happen automatically through signing in and out. If your children are accessing their schoolwork through the Google Classroom app on a mobile device like an iPad, it is easy to sign in multiple accounts through the Google Classroom app directly and toggle between them. Similarly, on your smartphone, you can also sign into multiple accounts so that you can receive notifications for multiple children, or if you want to maintain your parent account and add student accounts as well. We hope that these tutorials help support your family with distance learning. If you have more questions or problems, please reach out. We're here to help. Thanks.